The tutorial topic is how to use a gradient mask to blending two photos in Photoshop. So here you can see two images. This is image 1 and this is image 2. Open image 1 in Photoshop. Go to the layer panel. Then click on the lock icon of the background layer. The image layer is unlocked. Next, open image 2 in Photoshop. Resize the image 2. Then click on the crop tool from the toolbar. Increase the size of the document for ease of work. Place image 2 in the correct position. The image 2 layer must be selected. Click on the layer mask icon. Now click on gradient tool from the toolbar. From here, go to the basic folder. Now select this foreground to transparent gradient style. Then click and drag on one side of image 2. Do exactly as I show in the video. Try to place the image in the correct position. So you can see that the two images are perfectly blended. Thanks for watching the video.